This is like a street outside, but they preserved it in this museum, Vasa Museum. And here's a boat. It's a huge boat. Okay, Wendell, can you tell us about this boat?
Yes, it's very famous. It's a boat that I believe was built in the early 17th century, so something like 1610. And it was built by a shipbuilding company in England. And the irony is that something like 26 minutes after its first launch, it sank in the bay here in Stockholm. And it was raised by somebody, I think, in the 20th century. And it was preserved like this, which is pretty amazing.
Okay, I'll go to take a video over there.